Hey guys, this is Martin Berenger with Neptune Software. I just want to show you real quick how easy it is to install Planet 9 on your Mac. And I run a Mac, so let's go ahead and do this. You can see right here we have the Planet 9 for macOS 2.01 release. I'll click on that to start the download. And there it goes. Also, we'll download the 2.x installation guide, of course. So you have it step by step. Alright, download's finished. Let's go ahead and close this puppy and let's have a look. And first thing, of course, we'll do is we'll extract the zip file. And if you look inside of that, you can see that we have Planet 9 macOS and the SQLite default database that's there. And first thing we have to do is we have to move this into their target directories, wherever that's going to be. So I'm just going to highlight both of these and copy them and place them into a folder. So I'll just create a Planet 9 folder here under my documents. And I will put them right here. So now let's go ahead and make this file executable. And the way we can do that is to go into a terminal. And of course, we're going to have to change directories to get to the Documents folder and then to Planet 9. And then I'm going to do a chmod +X. And then we'll do Planet 9 macOS. And that should take care of it. And now all we got to do is start it. And here it is kicking off. So now all we have to do is go to localhost 8080 on your favorite web browser, and it will be right there. And of course, all this is documented step by step in our documentation as well. So let's go ahead and do localhost 8080. Here it is. Default password is, well, username admin. Default password is admin. Of course, you want to change that as soon as you're in. And here you go, Planet 9. Have fun. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.